Improving quality in manufacturing, a guide to excellence. Achieving high quality in manufacturing is a continuous journey, essential for building a strong reputation and gaining customer trust. Here's a comprehensive approach to elevate quality. 1. Implement robust quality management systems, QMS. Building a solid foundation for quality starts with a strong quality management system. Implementing a QMS ensures that every step in your manufacturing process is documented, controlled, and aligned with industry standards. This system becomes your blueprint for consistency, accountability, and high performance across all operations. 2. Embrace lean manufacturing principles. Think of lean as the engine that drives efficiency and precision. Lean principles like Kaizen, Six Sigma, and 5S eliminate waste and streamline processes, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Delivering value to your customers with flawless execution. 3. Invest in employee training and development. Your team is your greatest asset. Regular training empowers your employees with the skills and knowledge needed to identify and solve problems proactively. By investing in their development, you're not just improving quality, you are building a workforce dedicated to excellence. 4. Standardize processes and procedures. Consistency is the cornerstone of quality. Standardizing your processes ensures every product is manufactured to the same high standard, regardless of who's working on the line. Clear, documented procedures make it easy for your team to uphold quality every time. 5. Utilize advanced quality control tools. Preventing issues before they escalate is key to sustaining quality. Tools like SPC, FMEA, and root cause analysis give you control over critical quality points. With these tools, you're not just reacting to defects, you are actively preventing them and continually improving your product quality. 6. Establish Supplier Quality Assurance (SQA) programs. Quality starts with raw materials and extends through every partnership. A supplier quality assurance program helps you build strong, reliable relationships with suppliers, ensuring that the materials and parts you receive meet your quality standards from the outset. 7. Leverage technology and automation. Automation and smart technologies are transforming quality management. IoT sensors, data analytics, and AI can monitor your production line in real time, reducing human error and giving you insights for precise adjustments. Technology is your ally in maintaining consistency and anticipating potential issues. 8. Encourage cross-functional collaboration. Quality improvement isn't just one department's responsibility, it's everyone's. Cross-functional teams bring diverse perspectives, enabling you to address quality challenges holistically. Collaboration fosters innovation, faster problem solving, and a unified commitment to quality. 9. Establish a continuous improvement culture. Quality improvement is a journey, not a destination. A culture of continuous improvement keeps your team focused on finding new ways to enhance quality, no matter how small. Recognizing and rewarding these efforts creates an environment where everyone feels responsible for maintaining high standards. 10. Gather and act on customer feedback. Your customers are the ultimate judges of quality. Regular feedback lets you know if you're meeting their expectations and helps you prioritize improvements. Listening to customers and acting on their insights is vital for ensuring that your products deliver true value.